Hey everybody, Douglas here from Rev Rides, and today we're going to teach you how to change the LCD on your VSETT scooter. Let's get to it. To replace your LCD, you will need a pair of clips to snip any zip ties you may have. You'll need a size 3 and 4 millimeter Allen key, a couple small zip ties to replace your zip ties, a large zip tie to wrap around your brake and your blinker wire to be sure that it isn't ripped out during this process. Optionally, you can have a ballpoint 3 millimeter Allen key, and you will need a new LCD. First, grab your clippers and snip zip ties. Be careful not to clip any wires, as we don't want to create more problems. Next, you need your size 3 and 4 millimeter Allen key to loosen your accessories. First, let's loosen our brake. Next, we'll loosen the grip and the LCD. Now go ahead and loosen and fold down your LCD side of the handlebar. Now we need our large zip tie to wrap around the blinker and the grip. Now slide the LCD, brake, and grip off all at once, pushing them together to be sure that the blinker does not rip out of the grip. Now we're going to zip tie the blinker to the grip to ensure it doesn't rip out during this process. Make sure to go lightly so we do not damage the wire. Now you can unplug your old LCD. Now that you've removed your old LCD, grab your new one and go ahead and replace it. Now I'm going to slide the LCD onto the handlebar. Wait to plug it in, so that way we only have to slide the brake and the grip on together at once. Clip your zip tie, be sure not to damage your grip or the cable. Now slide your brake and grip on at the same time. Next, plug in your LCD. Before tightening everything back together, let's turn on the LCD to be sure that it works. Seems to be working fine. Now we need our 3 and 4 millimeter Allen keys again to tighten down the accessories. You can tighten your accessories in any order you would like. Be sure to tighten each screw on the brake evenly, top to bottom, to ensure the threading is not going to pop out. Lastly, grab your 2 zip ties to replace the ones that we cut off in the beginning. Be sure to put one zip tie in the front and the back of the connector of the LCD. Then use your clippers to clip the zip ties. Now you know how to change the LCD on your VSETT scooter. Be sure to like and subscribe for more riding and repair videos, and come ride with us.